Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Sunday, March 14, 2021. It is 9:55 and 24 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, livestock in ancient Europe. So let's hop to it. Changing livestock in ancient Europe reflect political shifts. Archaeology shows that politics and economics played a major impact in choosing livestock. Date February 17, 2021. Source Plus. Summary. In ancient European settlements, livestock use was likely primarily determined by political structure and market demands, according to a new study. Zooarchaeology, the study of animal remains from archaeological sites, has great potential to provide information on past human communities. Livestock preferences are known to have changed over time in Europe, but little is known about how much these changes are influenced by environmental, economic, or political conditions of ancient settlements. Researchers from 101 archaeological sites across the northeastern Iberian Peninsula, ranging from late Bronze Age to late Antiquity, a span of around 1700 years, during which European cultural and agricultural practices underwent significant changes. At each site, they compared livestock remains with data on the local environment, including plant and climate data on the economic and political conditions of the settlement. These data show that political and economic factors were most important in determining the species, distribution, and body size of ancient livestock. During the late Bronze Age and late Antiquity, when political systems were more fragmented and food production was focused more on local markets, livestock choice was more dependent upon local environmental conditions. But during the later Iron Age and the time of Roman Empire, the demands of pan-Mediterranean market economy favored more changes in livestock use, independent of environmental factors. Zooarchaeology is thus a vital source of information for understanding political and economic changes through time. The researchers add, archaeology reveals the influence of political systems on livestock practices over time. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and archaeology. I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.